a break. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get...
Hey guys, welcome to another day in my vlog. So today I'm going to do braids. So I'm waiting for my boat. It was 3 minutes away. I think now it has arrived. Kuyabanda guys, and then I'm not willing to catch any flu. Like I also need to remove these nails, like CeraVe lesana, and then yeah, that's it from me for now. So stay tuned, okay?
Get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Michelle, and I'm back with another vlog. Let's get outside. See, no! Every time when I want to record, is what? I'm just going to show you guys my outfit and just leave, because there's nothing I can say at this moment, because by ras outside, like this pisses me off. But anyways, let me show you guys my outfit. Like I'm so in love my outfit so much. So I'm wearing this jacket from Shein, crop top is from Foschini, and track pant is also from Shein, and then I'm wearing my Yeezy sneakers. I'm so in love with this outfit. Like it's giving like a bike rider. Dun. Hi guys, welcome to another day in my vlog. So today is a Thursday and I'm at work. I'm just going to show you guys like smaller portions of things that I do. So now it's lunchtime. I'm still warming up my food. I'm going to eat a putu and fresh milk, and then yeah, this is how my hands are looking, very dirty. And I managed to remove the nails, and I will catch up with you guys and update you if there's something, but for now that's nothing. Just keep on watching the vlog and see the banana. So bye. Hi guys, so today it's Friday. Now I'm going to a chemist. I just want to check something, and if I don't get it, then I have to go and check it at Clicks. But yeah, hopefully I get it. So let's go. Hi guys, so I'm at the chemist now. Unfortunately, they don't have what I'm looking for. I'll have to go to Clicks or Discam Sana, but that's a story for another day, maybe when I'm off. And now I'm looking for the gyno got. I want to grab these, but I was looking for the wipes. They don't have the wipes, so Sana, I don't know what to do now. I think I'm just gonna leave. I think I'm just gonna leave. Guys, why is everything so expensive? Why is everything so expensive? I'm using my front camera. It's not bad, ne? It's not bad. So guys, I just received a PR package from CeraVe. I need to take content for that, and that's another work for me at this moment. But I'm so grateful because Sana, creating content, it's my thing, and receiving a PR is the best feeling ever. My PR is at work. I need to take content for CeraVe. I'll do that when I'm off. And then what else? Yeah, I think I'll include the shooting in my vlog because this vlog it's so short. Like this vlog is so short. I think it's like 4 minutes long. So including the CeraVe shoot, I think it will make it a bit long, at least either 10 or 12 yabo long. Yeah. And guys, please do watch my vlogs. Like you guys, I make so much effort for you to get vlogs, but you don't watch my vlogs. Like it's so discouraging, I don't wanna lie. It's so discouraging. Every time I think of like taking content and upload to YouTube and shit, I get bored to see the people who subscribe to my channel only like 10% watched, and those who didn't subscribe it's like 80 to 90%. Like it doesn't make sense to me, honestly. It doesn't make sense. So just watch my vlogs. Just watch my vlogs, please. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you didn't subscribe but you are always on my channel but you didn't subscribe, I don't know what does that mean to you. Like to me it means like angas. I don't know how to explain it, but then it doesn't make sense. So I don't know if it makes sense to you. You are watching my vlogs always but you didn't subscribe. Like I don't understand. You get it what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? So please do the right thing, guys. Do the right things. We are almost monetized, so keep watching those vlogs. And yeah, by the end of the year I just hope we'll get that monetization. So just try to balance. I don't know how, because now I'm trying to balance so that you guys get the vlogs. So just try to balance. At least watch my vlogs. Even if you don't watch, just play it and just put your phone somewhere else so that I can get that watch hour. Okay, so yeah man, thank you so much guys for those who are returning, supporting. Like I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. I see you. And then yeah, thank you so much guys. Let me go rest now because I'm tired. Bye. I'm dressing up for work. I'm working night shift today, as I say. So let's dress up. Okay guys, so I'm not doing my edges because it's at night. I'm done dressing up for work, and then now I'm going to pack my lunch box and I am leaving. Mind you, I'm 5 manje and I'm 5. Don't try that. Don't try that. Okay, it's wrong. It's wrong, but then at least I'm showing up. Well, at least I'm showing up for work. Yeah, but anyways, let me finish up and leave because I'm late. Hi guys, welcome to another day in my vlog. So today it's a Tuesday and I'm shooting a CeraVe campaign, so I don't want to waste more time because now it's around 1:30, so I need to be done at least by 4 p.m. yeah, so let's take this content sana everything. Let's unbox this PR. So they gave us a tote bag. Here's a tote bag. Very convenient because I don't know when last did I get a tote bag, guys. My last tote bag is the one that I was using at varsity, which is home, and yeah, this is very convenient of them. And then we have the lotion. This is the lotion that they gave us, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So let me start shooting, okay? When the nigga pull up on me, tell the nigga, baby, don't you know Hi guys, so I'm done shooting the content, so now I'm going to edit, then add a voiceover. I know voiceover is what going to take so long, but then as long as I'm submitting today. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a short dress and this cute thingy. I'm just gonna remove it because I'm done. And I think I'm going to end this vlog here. If you have watched till this far, then thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate y'all. Please do subscribe and please do follow me on Instagram and TikTok to engage with my content. I am growing, Sana, and I love it for myself, so do the right thing, okay? Bye.